Hi guys, how is everyone doing? You're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Happiness Sexy Mama, or you call me in short form Happy Sexy Mama. Yes, that's the one in my YouTube. Yes, so my people, I bring on another matter. Not a way person no go hear and not a way person no go see. As long as we are living, we will continue to experience a lot of things and also learn from it too. We are not going to experience and we are not going to learn from it. At least when it comes out like this, we need to learn and we need to, take some advice and know how we go about it. Yes, so my people, another table talk. Oh, hey, wala deo. So guys, there's this friend of mine who happened to be a close friend. The reason why I brought out this issue here for us to talk and for us to understand is about opinion. I will say what I told her, and if you have any contribution, please kindly put it in a comment section. This girl happened to know this man while she was still in Italy, when she lives in Italy then, and they were chatting, net of 18. So they have been chatting for long. Before she came, that they have been chatting for over 2 years before she came down here. And when she came down here, this man was helping her in some areas that she needed help. And it didn't help her for long. And the man changed. It started misbehaving. All about what I'm going to say today is all about lies. I don't know why some people should be building a relationship with lies. Lies is not good in a relationship because it will turn out the other way around. It will turn out in a way that you will feel regret, because there is no man, no woman that will find out that all the years in that relationship, all what they were having, all the discussion they discussed in the night or talk was lies, and the person will still remain in that relationship. First, you have lost the trust in that relationship. Second, you have lost the trust on that woman or that man. Third, there will be never trust in that relationship. That's the kind of relationship you see the man and the woman, if they are in the discussion time, they will say, I beg God, you two they lie. No truth for your mouth. Before you hear something like that, there's something that might have been going on before. So this boy lied to this girl all these years that he has document, he's living fine, he's doing well. The girl has to come down here. She came down to where the man was living. And then she didn't just find out. She was still dating. They were still together. They were dating fine. But that is what is the problem. Everybody you meet out there are not evil. Learn how to initiate with some good people who will open up your eyes. The girl don't know how German documents look like. She don't know because she have not seen it in anyone's hand. So I don't actually blame her, like she don't have sense. Even me, I didn't know how the German document looked like until God bless me. I've gotten mine. That's when I got to know, oh, is this color, is this color. So I do not blame the girl for not knowing that the man was lying. So the guy told the girl that he has document. So they came down. The girl came down. They were living fine. So one day the girl came to my place. Like, he said, Mama, I hope that you've gotten your document. Thank God. I said, oh, my darling, God bless you. Then I told her, I said, God is great too. So I just told her a few stories about the stress I've gone through concerning my documents. And then I showed her, not knowing that showing her that my document has opened her eyes. Is that my document that I showed to her now make her eyes open that all those things that the boyfriend have been showing to her was fake. Okay, my people, they come. I will just talk some more because, you know, I'm new in YouTube. I don't have to be talking for long. So I will just nail the issue some more. So, as I showed the girl the document, so her face was somewhere. Somehow, she wasn't brightening at all. She changed. I was like, what is going on? He said nothing. Not knowing that her mind reflects back to the one the boyfriend have shown to her. Men, boys, young boys, marriage is not by force. If you are in a country that they said if you don't have children, you don't do this, your life will not be better. Please stop lying. If you meet any woman, just tell the woman your kind of status, how you want your life to be. If that woman really loves you, she will be there. Both of you will plan your life. You don't have to lie. So this girl now, when she saw my document, she went back to the man place. When she paid the man visit, he asked the man, he said, can I see that your document again? The man brought it out, and the man started lying that he gave the original to someone to hold it. For crying out loud, how could this man just sit down and be building all these lies? That he gave it to someone to hold like this, and he left for work. And the girl took a picture of that document and sent it to me. Document that if you want to show your girlfriend, you just do like this. Here is my document. You don't allow that to see what is written on it. Nothing. So when this girl sent this document to me, I find out that that boy belongs to a football team. So in that football team, they gave him that card, whereby if he does not represent that card, any days of their activities, he will not be able to go in. It's just like when you're having permits, like all these 3 months permits in anywhere. So that is what that guy is calling documents now. Telling the girl that they want to get the girl pregnant before he will go and pay the girl bride price. The girl should be pregnant. The girl must be pregnant. You know the worst part? When I talk with this guy, when they have this little misunderstanding, I called him and said, do you love this girl? He said, I can't tell you that. I asked the girl, do you love the man? The girl said, yes. Please, who is playing who in this relationship? And another thing is that this guy is not taking good care of this girl. This girl said anytime he asks the man for something, the man will say, you dey collect money. So men, boys, young boys, if you are not capable enough to take care of a lady, do not propose to that lady. Don't. If your eye is in the little money she's collecting, you are not capable enough to take care of her. Do not talk to women. Because most of those things And some small girls in single mother, when they will later find out all these things, they have to walk out of that relationship. Then they become single mothers everywhere. What? In fact, in God's name, what is going on? Tell the woman the truth. The first day you meet this woman, your spirit captured this woman that you want to be with her. Try to tell her the truth from the first day. Oh. That is why I brought out this issue, because as I'm talking to you guys now, the man said the girl don't have respect, the girl does not behave well, the girl don't do like this. I called the girl. I said, why can't you respect the man that you said you love? The girl said he used to respect him, but hence he has stopped taking care of him. He does not even give her, in fact, 20 cents. That respect is gone. That the man keep on telling her one kind nonsense thing that she don't like. Anytime I ask the man, maybe, my hair have scattered, I need to make a new hair. The man will say, you're collecting money. You're collecting money. So who told all these men that if a woman is earning an income from somewhere, the man have to withdraw his hand from helping the woman? Don't you know that help comes from both sides? If you help the woman today, when you're in need tomorrow, the woman also can support you. Our men, our women, what has come over us? What is the problem with us? Why can't we just tell the truth? Whoever loves us will stay in that relationship. Or all the successful marriage you have seen out there, do you think that they started it with lies and they came up to be a great family, a beautiful family, that they will even use them as an example to others? I don't think so. So my people, if you have any contribution about this thing, is it good that that guy lied to that girl all these years, that he has document and he didn't have? Instead of him to tell the girl, oh, my woman, I love you, but I will tell you my mind. If you like, you stay with me. If you don't like, you leave. I don't have documents, but I'm looking for a woman to settle down with. If you can go with me, we will become the best family. We will live together. We will love ourselves. For me, I think that could be the best. To explain his status, to tell the woman his status in the place he's living, than telling the woman, born for me, I will go and pay your bride price. Born for me, I will do everything. I will take care of you. Share. Now when the woman don't born for you, you go take care of the woman. Now that the woman is single, that is supposed to look attractive to you, supposed to look beautiful, people will tell you your woman is beautiful. You will not take care of her. Now when she go don't carry belle, we be say, so women if they carry the belle, that time they will resemble Otutu Poyoyo. Now that time you go can't take care of her. I don't understand. That's why I brought out the issue. I beg, when you come across this video on my YouTube, please comment, because me, I'm confused. What I told the girl, my own opinion, I told the girl, I said, the man don't love you. He's using you. He wants to play with you. He just wants you to have a child with him. Because why? If that is not what that man is doing, when you love the woman, you are able to, as in, some men do not even know how to approach a lady. But if this man could have that chance to be bold enough to approach this lady, he should have also have the boldness enough to tell this lady, I don't have a stand yet in Germany, but I want both of us to join her together to build this family to become the best. My people, if I've said something wrong, please correct me. Nobody is more intelligent than anybody. We are all learning. That's why we are bringing different topic on YouTube every day. So is it good that that guy is lying? And anytime they gave him, he collected his money Before the woman will go there, he have finished using the money. So he will send it to Nigeria. The woman will pay transport to go and meet him. The woman will pay transport to come. It's not contributing for anything. All what the man knows how to do, all what is supporting is to do the service. Shena service will kill both of them. I've been waiting. It will come to visit the lady. The supermarket, the African shop that is in his place is very cheap. He will not buy the woman anything. Where we are living now is very, very expensive. The place is so expensive. In fact, in my own city, there is no African shop. You need to pay 30 euro to where you're going to do shopping. And sometimes when you hold 200 euro for shopping, sometimes you will go there because maybe you getting there, the things that you got is more expensive than you thought. Then where the things are cheap, that man will not buy. He will come and expect the lady to use all the money, the small money she's having, to take care of him. The woman is the one that fed him. It's only when he's in his house he will eat, and he will not even have food in the house. The woman said when he will go to the house, he will not see food. He will send all the money. He will use it. He said he have plan in Africa. He's a fool. To me, he's a fool. He's a stupid man. You have a plan in Africa. You're staying hungry. You're staying hungry. Even your girlfriend will look like a mad woman. You cannot give her, says, take this one, take this one. You're doing something now. See, the earlier, we Africans, we open our eyes, will be better for us. I will come out with another new topic. Maybe in 3 days' time, or I might do it instantly. The area we open our eyes is better for us. All those people you are sending that money, go give for Africa, may they help you for one thing or the other that I don't know. It's only God that knows if they are doing that thing for you. Here you will not buy good food, and eat and put in your body, They say if now the one where person eats, that go, now be your own. You'll be doing service. Even your own self, you cannot take care of yourself. Because you have plan. What kind of useless plan is that? Where you're living will look so scattered, so unkept. Because why? You will not see anything like this. You say, this thing is good. Make you should buy and keep in your house. Because why? You're doing plan. You get plan. And the same plan now you have not finished. You want to include poor girl inside. Make the girl come suffer. See, may we change. May we change. So the topic of today is don't ever in your life build your relationship with lies. Because one day it will explode. And when it explodes, that's that's the end of the relationship. Because the man will never trust you. The woman will never trust you. There is nothing you will say. That man will say you're lying. The woman will say you're lying. So why should we build our relationship with lies? You know, get document. You tell the lady, say you get document and make it born for you. Assuming say as that girl come, I stand far away from her, or she's not the kind of person that play up with people, you understand? Then sister congrats, because she's happy for me. Sister congrats. I said, thank you, my dear. I brought her the document to show to her. So that girl for no say, that man no get docu till he will put all her body in that relationship. Then tomorrow when problem will come, they will say, ladies, German single mothers, they don't have respect. German single mothers, they don't do this. German single mothers, all the single mothers in the world, they don't do that. But you forgotten, you men, you boys, you young boys, that you are not ready for marriage because of the situation of where you are living. You want to put somebody in a single mother role. It's very bad. Let's change. When you meet a lady, your spirit captured with that lady, definitely that lady own will surely captured with your own. Sometimes it does not capture. When you start living together, that's when you know you come to love the person. But do not lie. Don't lie. Tell her the truth. Let her love you for whom you are. If she cannot, let her walk away. The one who will love you and cherish you for you who you are is coming. Do not lie. Lie is not good, my people. Lie is not good. Lie have destroyed a lot of people. Now carry the matter come out now. So let's share our own opinion. Should I talk to her? Because now I'm just waiting. I don't know. Maybe it's because I was nervous. I was just angry over this issue. I didn't advise her well. On my own, I'm thinking this way. That's why I brought out this issue. Please. Maybe the way I told her, I said the boy no love her. The boy is because how can a boy does not have document? He said he has. And now his target is to pregnant the woman. And I talked to this boy, do you love this woman? He said, I no fit tell you that. That means he don't love the woman. I talked to the lady, do you love the man? He said, yes. So, will I advise this girl now to move on in the relationship? That the man will change? Or he should get pregnant? I thank God the girl know herself. He no want get the belly. So should I advise the girl now to be pregnant for the man? So I'm confused because the girl now is confused. Because the girl said, her mind have changed. But the guy now, I don't know. So you see the way people, they do things. Assuming say that girl did not prevent herself. Maybe as they just meet now, under this 1 year now, belle don't come. The girl can't know, see, no get doku. You can't know all this kind lie. You understand? Say, all this kind to day ground. The relationship scatter. The man go become single father. Because he no go talk say, now only woman go dey bear the single mother name. Him also will become a single mother. The girl will become a single, him also will become a single father. The girl also will become a single mother. So do you people see how this single mothers and single father of 18 generate? So let's stop lying. Tell your partner the truth. Tell your partner the truth. When my husband started work, someone asked my husband, how much are they paying you? My husband said it. He said, oh, don't let your woman kill. Hide it. Why? My God said, no. The way you arrange your house is different from the way I arrange my own. My woman must know everything about me in case of anything. That is how relationships supposed to be. I go call life finish for me now. Tomorrow I come find and say no be like that. Wallahi, me, personally, I don't lost my interest for you. In fact, as I just hear the tea finish, as me I colorish, I enter and spark my things. Forget about the marriage of it. Forget about the ring. Forget about how much you spend. Do not tell me lies. Then I will later find out the truth from someone. So, maybe now because of say my body they hot. The way I advise the girl, if it no good, I make I bring the matter come out. I beg, you people should tell me. It's your comments now that I will follow. Then I will give the girl feedback to know maybe you should leave the guy. Because to me, that guy is useless. Now you don't get dogu, you say you get. You lie for the lady. The lady not still care. He still they follow you. You not still they take care of her. So what you tell and say that they give you money. Anything the girl need, you go say that they give you money. She because they are giving her money. You cannot support her in anything. So why are you there in her life if you cannot support? Why do you want to have her? So that so you go come born for you. You will tell and say, no fit buy baby diaper. You know fit do this. You know fit do that. Because they are giving her money. Guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. different things go dey come out. Abeg, una tell me wetin I go tell the girl, so that make you know I stand. Because to me, my body dey hot well. I do not take any shit from anybody. I don't take rubbish as you see me so. So maybe the way I advise the girl, I sat down and I thought of it. I said, go, me I get pepe body. I know they fit tolerate all this kind of thing. Maybe the advice that I'm giving to this girl, it might not be useful to her. It might not help her tomorrow. Wait till let me bring it to my YouTube people. Let them give me advice. I beg, I've brought this issue out for you people. Give me advice. Drop it in the comment section. Tell me what to tell this girl so that she can move on with her own life. Because to me, I wish she move on with her life and leave that so-called boy, because that one is not ready. Any boy that is not honest, is not truthful, is not ready for anything. He will reach 30 years, that's where he will remain. Because why? And the worst thing, the boy called they mention different women when don't go out with. He say woman no dey use and do any nonsense. So it's not even a shame. He have gone out with all these ladies and none of them has been able to say, wow, this man is nice, let me settle down with him. That means that man does not have character. That's what I told her. I said, that means that guy is an idiot. And he is a useless man. If this guy can open his mouth to tell you how many women he don't friend, run from that guy. Because such a man can easily bring a lady and have sex in your presence with that lady. He will tell you you have no say. So all this lady now we don't mention and they still leave him. That means his character is not good. He's not ready. So I don't know. I'm still saying it. Maybe now my own pepe body side. Now the opinion where my pepe body give me, now I give him. So I brought the matter here for us to talk and for us to know. I beg. Is my opinion right that he should move on with her life? Or will she still continue in the relationship? Because to me, the way she was talking, she's so angry. You know, when a woman find out something like this, if the love was 100%, it's going down immediately to 50 or 40. Especially when the man is not adding any value to the woman's life. The love is finished. So, my own opinion now, you should go move on with her life. Am I right, my people? Or, now my pepe body opinion. So, please, for those of you who does not have this pepe body of a thing, advise me. Because for me, I believe, say, I know they take nonsense. I know they take, I know fit take her. We died here. We died here that day. That day where they find us saying a lie, they tell me, I see that is in a football team card. We died here that day. Now that day me are the commotes. Whether I like them or you not like them. So please, una advise me put my video no go dey long for now. It could be small, you know, guys. So anyone who will come across this video, please try to give me a responsible advice to give to her, because she herself, she's confused. And this guy, if you don't put him for one kind mood, if you keep calling mama for house, and your mama self na 419 it could be. My son love you. He love you, born for her. My son, he love you. Hey, my daughter-in-law, my son, he love you. Play gang though. Play gang. They are, he and his mama, they work out together. So, when I tell me I don't know. Because me, my body, the pepe pass myself. Me self, I know say my body, the pepe. Because I dey respect myself. I dey respect myself. So, who find me come? He miss road because he go receive him like bomb. I me I be. I know they find trouble. You see, I told the girl that day, I say, as you see that paper, wait till you do, I may say nothing. I say, don't let me abuse you. Your things, nko, he say impact some, he leave some. I say good. Maybe the ones you pack are useful. The one you left there are not useful. So don't go back there again. So guys, if I'm not correct with my opinion, please write it down. Tell me, mama, sister, my lady, you know, this one you said is not good. Then I will still take the advice, my people. I'm still learning. So love you guys. Stay tuned. Stay lovely. Love you all. Have a nice time. Okay? Till another new one is being uploaded. Love you guys. Bye bye.